Civilian drones have become a popular means for cinematographers to capture interesting shots of targets of focus. They can capture targets from interesting angles that would otherwise be difficult to reach. The problem is that drones can be difficult to pilot with or without experience, and cumbersome to operate if the cinematographer wants to mainly focus on the camera shot rather than on the low-level controls. Most cinematographers aren't pilots. We understand that. So we designed an interface that attempts to make controlling a drone from a cinematographer's perspective easier. The main assumption is that the cinematographer is interested in capturing a particular target of focus. For simplicity, here we will assume that this target is static. Our interface makes it so that the drone essentially knows where the target of focus is, and makes it easy to change the drone's camera angle on the target. The drone always stays a safe distance from obstacles, and the user doesn't have to worry about crashing the drone, injuring people, or damaging property. So rather than being in control of the drone, the user is in control of the experience. The user is presented with a set of high-level cinematic camera commands, allowing them to easily change their view of a target. First, the track commands allow the user to temporarily track or zoom into or out of a target of focus to get a temporary close-up detail or far-back overview shot. Second, the circular track commands allow the user to move the drone camera along an imaginary circular track around the target to capture it from different perspectives. And lastly, the elevate commands allow the user to temporarily move the drone camera up or down to either capture a high-up shot or a shot close to the ground. We see our interface being useful for a variety of possible applications. For example, for shooting live streams of major tourist and gathering spots. This could be used by site managers and security personnel to monitor a site and the people and activity within it. It could also be used by members of the public who want to log in to visit a tourist site virtually as a bird in the sky. It might also be useful for remote video conferencing scenarios where two people separated by distance are sharing an experience, for example, with one person engaged in an activity and another person observing and filming from interesting camera shots. Currently, our interface only works through Wizard of Oz. In the future, as location tracking technologies become more accurate and drone controlling becomes more precise, this type of interface could be easily implemented in code